Hi, I'm Jeremy with Demco Products. Today I have an exciting new product that I want to share with you. It's our all-new fifth wheel frame bracket template. Now, it used to be that when you were doing an install on frame brackets, you'd have to make 5 to 7 measurements in the truck bed just to figure out where to drill the holes. This has been proven to be a timely task and sometimes a little bit confusing. And every once in a while, a technician might get those measurements wrong and drill the holes in the wrong spot, and that is the last thing that we want. So what our engineers have done as a solution to these problems is created our own fifth wheel template. And as if that isn't exciting enough, what they've done is created one template that has all of our frame brackets on just one single template. So let's take a minute and see just how this thing works. All right, so how this works is we're going to set our template in our truck's bed with the arrow facing towards the cab. And then we're going to want to use these notches at the top and the bottom of the template to find our truck's center line. At this point, what we're going to want to do is look at our instructions and see what our measurements are going to be from the back of the bed to the template. In this case, we're looking at 23 inches. So how we're going to do this is measure out 23 inches on one side and then jump over to the other side and measure out 23 inches as well. That way we know everything is squared up and that we'll be drilling in the right spot. Now we need to look up on our instructions and see which of these holes are for our particular vehicle. In this case, we're going to be using these holes. So what we'll do is take a paint pen or a marker and mark these holes, take the template and then set it aside, and then we're ready to drill. Now we don't want to leave the template in and just drill through these holes because we'll hollow them out and throw off our measurements for future installs. All right, one thing that I want you guys to keep in mind is that this just did come out this year. So it's going to be a while before all that older inventory cycles through our distributors. So if you get one and it doesn't have the new updated instructions in the kit, don't worry. All you have to do is get on our website, look under frame bracket kits, and then look up the type of vehicle you're working on and the brackets you are installing, and then you can view or even print the new updated instructions. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-543-3626 or visit our website at demco-products.com.